Hey guys, I'm going to do something a little different tonight, a little fun, just to mix up the meals. We're going to make some corn dogs, and I have all my dry ingredients already in here. I have a cup of flour, all-purpose, a cup of cornmeal, a tablespoon of sugar, and a tablespoon of baking powder. So we're going to go ahead and get that mixed together. Alright, and we're going to add an egg. And 1 1/4 cup of milk. And go ahead and get this mixed. Meanwhile, I also have some oil heating. It's going to get up to about 350. We're not quite there yet, so I thought we'd go ahead and get the batter made. To make dipping the corn dogs just a little bit easier, I'm going to pour this batter into a glass. Now to get the hot dogs ready, you're going to want to take a paper towel and dry them. You can also sprinkle them with just a little bit of cornstarch. I think these will be okay. I only had small skewers, but I think that's going to be okay. But what you'll do to prepare the hot dog, once you get it dried, you want to just insert the skewer. You can use popsicle sticks as well. Alright, we're just waiting for the oil to heat up. I'll bring you back when we're ready. The oil is almost hot, so I just wanted to show you. I have a pan with a paper towel and a rack so that as I pull the corn dogs out of the oil, I can put them on the rack to drain. And you can see how a glass is so much better for dipping. So we're just waiting on the oil. We're at about 320, so we'll be right back. Alright, so the oil has heated. Just want to make sure you've got a really good coating on here. And we're going to go straight into the oil, kind of at an angle, just to let it kind of set. And then you can drop it in. Put the next one in. You want to kind of swirl it. I wouldn't do more than 2 at a time, because when you're dropping anything into the oil, it's going to affect the temperature of the oil. So maybe just do 2 at a time. They will only cook for maybe 3 minutes, 3 to 5, depending on your temperature of your oil, and just keep an eye on them. You don't want them to stick like those were, and you may have to rotate them. If you have kids, this will be a lot of fun for them. You could even let them help. That would be fun. Let them dip them or dry the hot dogs and put the skewers in. They're almost done. You could probably go ahead and pull them out at this point. I just want to get them just a little bit browner. Okay. Take it straight to the rack. And we're ready to put the next one in. This oil is staying pretty clean, so you would be able to probably do another batch or save the oil maybe for fries or something like that.